San Diego's secret spot, where adventure feels personal. And yes, you can swim with otters, right here in San Diego County. It's called Nurtured by Nature, a nonprofit, creating once-in-a-lifetime animal encounters, granting free experiences to wish kids, and funding conservation around the world. Otters, sloths, and armadillos, serving up pure wonder and real healing. Curious? Book your visit today at nurturedbynature.org. Are you running a standout San Diego business? We showcase hidden gems just like this. DM us for more info.